Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fascination. And since I'm up, I might try to lay back down after a while. Nightmare Before Christmas, Advent Calendar Day 14. Literally, Hanukkah this year starts today. It's Christmas guy. Okay, Christmas guy. So now we are on getting this figure here. Figures, right? Hopefully it's not a repeat. Like I said, I don't mind the repeats. Yeah, I know which hand I'm opening the box with. But I'm reaching in with this one. Looks like... Oh, we finally got one of him. It's Oogie Boogie. Woohoo. Weird looking, but at the same time, it's cute. Now, I had another viewer saying that they hope, I believe it was Sam Lynn, saying that it'd be cool to get the mayor, but it was also cool to get this version of Oogie Boogie. Oogie Boogie. Oh my gosh. I know I got a little excited about that, but other than Jack Skellington and, oh my gosh, Sally and the dog, I think Oogie Boogie is also kind of iconic in its own way. So, put that back in the box. I don't know. I'm trying to catch up on everybody's stuff. And you know how it goes. Life happens. But I'm trying to catch up on people's advent calendars. Mary Catherine, Miss Erlene, Tracy and Chloe. That's a mom and daughter channel. And they have an advent calendar going on for themselves. And then they also have one going on for their dog. There's nothing there. It's just itchy. Like you get that little itch. But it's not burning. So don't worry about that. So Tracy and Chloe has a dog. And, I've brain farted your cute dog's name. But anyway, so I open up the BarkBox advent calendar for their dog. And then they have, I think, one or two other calendars for themselves. It's basically, you know, like sweet treats and stuff like that. And sometimes I'll try that in their short content. They'll do that as well. So I will try to remember to leave them linked since I do follow them. And yeah, I hope you like the fact that we finally got an Oogie Boogie in this thing. Right? It's about dang time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed, because you know there's the shingles care video coming up in the evening. And since I took my medicine early, it won't be too late at night. So look forward to that. Bye. Because, y'all, it's healing. Anyway, that's the only sneak peek you get. Bye.